Welcome to this tutorial on how to use WorldPay SOAP API. The WorldPay SOAP API is a payment processing interface that allows merchants to integrate payment functionality into their websites or applications. To get started, you need to register for a WorldPay account and obtain your merchant ID and other necessary credentials. Once you have your credentials, you can begin the integration process. The first step is to generate a client certificate, which is used to authenticate your API requests. You can do this by generating a certificate signing request and then submitting it to WorldPay for approval. Next, you need to set up your development environment. This includes installing the necessary software and libraries, such as Java or .NET, and configuring your IDE. Now, let's move on to the API itself. The WorldPay SOAP API uses XML to send and receive data. You will need to construct XML requests and send them to the WorldPay server, which will then respond with an XML response. To make a payment, you will need to send a payment request to the WorldPay server. This request should include information such as the payment amount, currency, and payment method. The WorldPay server will then respond with a payment response, which will indicate whether the payment was successful or not. It's also important to handle errors and exceptions properly. This includes checking the response codes and handling any errors that may occur during the payment process. Best practices for using the WorldPay SOAP API include testing your integration thoroughly, using secure protocols such as HTTPS, and keeping your client certificate up to date. In conclusion, using the WorldPay SOAP API requires careful planning and implementation. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate the WorldPay SOAP API into your website or application and start accepting payments from your customers. Remember to always refer to the official WorldPay documentation for the most up-to-date information and guidelines on using the SOAP API.